Want to stay in ketosis, boost autophagy, and kickstart your day with a simple, delicious breakfast without breaking the bank? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a $2 breakfast that keeps you in fat-burning mode all day long while staying true to your OMAD, or one meal a day routine. It's low-carb, high-fat, and packed with nutrients. If you're serious about maximizing your OMAD benefits, keep watching because you won't want to miss this game-changing meal idea. Stick around until the end because I'll break down exactly how this meal keeps you in ketosis and why it's the perfect option to boost autophagy, all while keeping your energy up and hunger at bay. And to see more budget-friendly OMAD and keto-friendly meal ideas, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We have tons of tips and tricks to help you stay on track with your health and fitness goals. The perfect OMAD breakfast for ketosis and autophagy. If you're following the OMAD or one meal a day diet, you already know that the focus is on eating one nutrient-dense, satisfying meal within a single window while fasting for the rest of the day. This approach encourages weight loss, mental clarity, and various health benefits. However, if you're also aiming to stay in ketosis and maximize autophagy during your fast, you need to carefully consider the types of food you consume during your eating window, especially if you're having breakfast. To maintain ketosis and keep your body in a fasted state that promotes autophagy, your breakfast should be low-carb, high-fat, and moderate protein. We'll take a look at an easy and budget-friendly breakfast idea that ticks all these boxes. Eggs with avocado and butter, a low-carb powerhouse. This meal is composed of three main ingredients: eggs, avocado, and butter, or coconut oil. Let's break down the benefits of each ingredient in terms of how they support ketosis and autophagy. 2 to 3 large eggs. Eggs are a perfect source of protein and healthy fats. One large egg contains around 6 grams of protein and 5 grams of fat, with negligible carbs. This makes eggs an excellent choice for staying in ketosis, as they won't trigger insulin spikes or prevent fat burning. Eggs are also packed with essential nutrients like choline, which is important for brain health, vitamins B12 and D, and selenium. These nutrients support your overall health and help fuel your body as it burns fat for energy in ketosis. Plus, eggs are one of the most cost-effective sources of protein, making them a great choice if you're on a budget. Half an avocado. Avocados are a fantastic source of monounsaturated fats, which are great for ketosis. These fats help keep you full for longer periods and provide a stable source of energy. Avocados are also rich in fiber, which helps with digestion and supports gut health. With less than 2 grams of net carbs per half avocado, they are an ideal food choice for keeping your carb intake low while still providing a good amount of essential nutrients, including potassium, which helps balance electrolytes during ketosis. The combination of fat and fiber in avocados ensures that you feel full and satisfied, which is essential when you're eating just one meal a day. 1 tablespoon of butter or coconut oil. Butter or coconut oil is an excellent source of saturated fats, which are ideal for maintaining ketosis. These fats are easily converted into ketones, which your body uses for energy while you're in ketosis. Butter is an inexpensive and flavorful addition to your breakfast, and coconut oil can be used as an alternative if you prefer a slightly different taste or want the additional benefits of medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. Fats like butter and coconut oil are not likely to interfere with autophagy because they don't trigger significant insulin responses. As a result, you can enjoy your meal without disrupting the natural fasting process your body undergoes during OMAD. Quick reminder, if you're finding this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips to help you live your healthiest life. How this breakfast supports ketosis and autophagy. Low in carbohydrates, eggs and avocado are both very low in carbohydrates, which means they won't cause significant insulin spikes or disrupt ketosis. Keeping your carb intake low is essential for staying in ketosis, where your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Healthy fats, the butter, avocado, and eggs all provide healthy fats, which are the primary fuel source for your body when you're in ketosis. These fats provide sustained energy throughout the day and allow you to continue burning fat rather than storing it. Autophagy is the process in which your body breaks down and recycles damaged cells. This is a natural process that is enhanced during periods of fasting. Since this breakfast is primarily composed of fats and protein with very little carbohydrate content, it will not trigger a significant insulin response that could interfere with autophagy. Eating minimally or having a meal with just fats and protein allows autophagy to continue undisturbed. Quick prep instructions. First, cook the eggs. You can scramble, fry, or poach 2 to 3 eggs using butter or coconut oil to keep the fat content high. Cook them in a way that you find most enjoyable. Next, prepare the avocado. Cut half an avocado in half, remove the pit, and either slice it or mash it. You can add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Finally, combine and enjoy. Once the eggs are cooked, serve them with the avocado on the side, or place the mashed avocado on top of the eggs for an easy-to-eat meal. This meal is low-carb, high-fat, and nutrient-dense, perfect for staying in ketosis and promoting autophagy during your OMAD regimen. Best of all, it's quick to prepare, inexpensive, and incredibly satisfying. Why this breakfast is ideal for OMAD? It keeps you in ketosis. By focusing on fats and protein and avoiding carbs, you ensure that your body stays in ketosis and continues burning fat for energy. It supports autophagy. Since there are minimal carbs in this meal, it won't interfere with the autophagy process that is activated during fasting. You can stay in a fasted state while still fueling your body. It's affordable. Eggs, avocado, and butter are budget-friendly options that are accessible to most people and provide excellent nutrition without breaking the bank. And it's satisfying. This meal provides a good balance of healthy fats, protein, and fiber to keep you feeling full and energized for the day ahead, making it perfect for OMAD. If you're on the OMAD diet and want a breakfast that will help you maintain ketosis and promote autophagy, the simple combination of eggs, avocado, and butter is an excellent choice. It's nutrient-dense, low in carbs, and supports your body's fat-burning state without interfering with fasting benefits. This meal is quick to prepare, budget-friendly, and will keep you satisfied throughout the day while you stick to your OMAD regimen. Are you going to start using this simple breakfast idea in your daily routine? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy tips that support your health journey. And if you want more tips to lose weight fast and stay healthy, watch this next video.